All right, oil's good. Battery's hooked up. We have the radiator cap loose and topped off. We put a gallon of trans fluid in already. We're going to add some here in a moment once we get her hopefully lit. But look. Oh, we put fuel in it too. Look, the courtesy light is on. I'm excited.
I'm giddy. This is how giddy I am.
This is how giddy you are?
This is how giddy I am. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We're going to reverse. And because I'm in such a good mood, that's for you because of, you know, how much I...
Help. Anyway, let's do a light check.
Go for it. Yes, we have high beams.
Look, we have
lights.
We have dash lights. They're kind of flickery because the switch is a little wonky. But we got dash lights. We got headlights. We got... Oh, yeah, those are turn signals. What am I doing? Duh.
One moment.
Look, we got tail lights. Scotty, look, we have lights.
I know. Hold on.
I have the key, so you're not going to be able to do the turn signal, smart guy.
Well, give me the key, damn it. You know how long I've been dying to see this happen?
Don't go dying. We can't afford that. Turn key on. Left turn. How's it in the front? I see it. I see the reflection in the toolbox. So it's there. Okay, give me right turn. Give me right turn. Right turn. Go look at... I know. Yeah, it's working. Go look at the front.
Yes.
Woo! All right, we have all of our lights.
So we're going to go out. I don't want to kill anything. I don't want to kill the battery prematurely.
Okay, so I'm going to get in and crank it.
I'm actually giddy. I really am. I'm actually giddy.
Put your boner
Let's
away.
get some more transmission fluid in it first. I'm not taking any chances.
Okay, well, there's another jug. Put like half that in. Actually, do you want to stick the dipstick in and see?
Well, you can't do it until it's running.
No, I know, but can you just see where your level is?
Oh, yeah.
Please listen. Please listen to me. Please listen to me.
If I didn't listen to my old man, do you think I'm going to listen to you?
Hey.
I mean, come on.
Oh, horn doesn't blow. You got to watch for finger. All right, so John, we'll have to fix your horn down the road, of course, because we want you to drive this a little bit. How's your stick? You got a little bit on the end? So you're probably going to need to add at least 2 quarts, if not 4. Because that thing was dry.
Okay, so I have it.
Barely anything.
Oh, no, it's well past the full.
Oh, well, let's crank it a little bit and let it suck it through. We're going to let it suck. And keep an eye, I'm going to crank it. Keep an eye on your fuel filter that you redid.
Well, that got cleaned up and hopefully taken care of.
We put about, what, 3 or 4 gallons of gas in this thing?
Roughly.
Yeah. All right, I'm getting in. Ooh, I am fucking fat. Oh, get... God! Fat man in a little car. Okay.
Do you want to do any, like, spray something?
No, because I want to crank it first to try to prime it.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, go ahead.
Ooh. Ready?
Ready.
Come on, neutral safety. Okay. Neutral safety doesn't work in park. Are we getting fuel?
Stop.
Give it a little, do the brake clean magic trick. But, so, John, we're going to have to discuss a neutral safety switch. You know, we probably have you take her home and bring her back for that. That's easy. Because she does not want to work in park. Well, let me shove it up further in park. Let me put my knee on it. Let's see.
Okay, go ahead.
No, doesn't want to behave in park. Yeah, so neutral safety switch. Not a big deal. Ooh!
And it sounds like we got a bit of an exhaust leak on that side.
Well, let's get her lid off and see what we got.
Okay, go ahead.
The radio's trying to do radio things. Okay. Ready?
Go ahead.
Tack moved.
Go ahead.
Can you fill the bowl? Have me come fill. Let me come fill the bowl.